It's the most successful cookery television format in the world, having been adapted in 52 countries and viewed by over 250 million people worldwide. Now, the MasterChef TV Experience restaurant has opened in Dubai. It's a world first, and we've come to check it out.
You know, MasterChef is one of the most stressful and hard things I've ever done. I mean, you got Gordon Ramsay screaming down your throat if you're not doing something right. But it was the most rewarding thing, the most fulfilling thing, and it really showed me my true passion and my true love for food. So it's about time for people to come in and experience and get a taste of that mystery box.
So we're here with Chef Margarita, who's in charge of the kitchen. Tell me, why does the MasterChef brand work so well as a restaurant?
I believe that we stand out first because we have already a huge fan base. In the Dubai market, it's a city, like we said, a city of foodies, and it means something to so many people around the world.
Do you want to explain what this little box is here?
Mystery box. Our idea is to bring this challenge to the restaurant as part of the experience, and you get to be the judge. Hopefully, we will always surprise.
Well, my dietary requirement is something tasty, so should I have a look under?
Please, let's have a look.
Okay, so we've got black garlic,
yes,
giant asparagus.
Yes, you have sunchokes or Jerusalem artichokes.
Yep.
Fresh oregano, a variety of mushrooms.
I've got my phone. I'm going to put my stopwatch on. So 35 minutes, starting now.
What I'm planning to do is basically a big raviolo, like a stuffed pasta. And we're gonna make a sauce with the chocolate and the black garlic.
Don't mean to panic you, but just gone 14 minutes in.
Yes.
So
20 minutes to go.
20 minutes to go.
We're gonna be on time. It's gonna be fun. This is like my signature thing, poaching eggs. See.
And are you big on the aesthetic of how it looks then?
Yeah, I want you to enjoy. Food comes through the eyes first, yeah.
Are you stressed?
I can feel the stress.
1 minute, 10 seconds to go. 20 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What? She did it! Bang on, 35 minutes. I can't believe it. Thank you so much for having us today.
Please.
Incredible.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.